I got this Toro Time Master, and the adjustment here won't stay. See how it kind of, it'll keep popping off the adjustment. I don't know what happened. All the parts seem to be okay, but I get it into place, and when I start mowing, that'll pop out of there. It'll pop out of the little detent thing, because this has just got, seems to have some play in it. See how the, I don't know if you can see it, kind of the play it's got in it. Right here you can see it a little better. Let's see. See that play it's got in it? I was looking through a parts breakdown of these things, and I don't see really what's missing from this setup. I can't really tell what might be missing. It doesn't look to me like anything. I see a couple holes here, maybe a couple holes on the bottom side. Am I missing something? So what I did earlier was I just put this strap on here with the screw strap kind of thing, you know, to try to hold it up so it wouldn't move, so it would stay down like it. So this was up a little higher, so the axle was still able to rotate, but it wouldn't come out of the detent. So I don't know, maybe something is missing there that I'm not catching. Right over here, something, like I said, it's got a couple holes right over, one over there, another one over here, same thing on the bottom. Doesn't look like anything's been in these holes recently. I don't know if there's anything there that I'm missing. Possibly. I looked at the parts breakdown, like I said, didn't see anything. Any help if it looks like I'm missing something, I appreciate it. Thank you.